Bitcoin, the first cryptocurrency. But what exactly is it? Who created it? And why is everyone talking about it? In this video, we'll try to explain it in simple terms in just 5 minutes. Hi friends, welcome to. Before we start the video, a small request. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends. Bitcoin, what is it? Who created it? And why is it such a hot topic? In 2009, someone under the name Satoshi Nakamoto, either a person or a group, created Bitcoin. The true identity of Satoshi is still unknown. Satoshi published a white paper explaining how a new kind of digital currency could work without needing any bank or government. This idea emerged after the 2008 financial crisis when public trust in traditional banking systems was broken. Bitcoin operates on a technology called blockchain. Imagine multiple blocks linked in a chain. Each block contains a list of transactions. Once a block is full, it connects to the previous one, forming a long chain. This digital ledger is shared across thousands of computers globally, making it decentralized and highly secure. No single person can alter it, and there's no need for a bank or middleman. The total supply of Bitcoin is limited to 21 million. Because of this scarcity, Bitcoin is seen as a digitally limited asset, like gold, which is also rare. With limited supply and rising demand, people call Bitcoin digital gold. Unlike traditional money, it cannot be printed. It's governed by code, not by governments or banks. Bitcoin allows people to send money directly without intermediaries, no banks involved, and can be sent globally. It's fast, transparent, and borderless. In countries with inflation or strict financial control, Bitcoin provides financial freedom and personal control over assets. So Bitcoin is created by Satoshi Nakamoto, powered by blockchain, and as rare as digital gold. It's changing how we think about money. If you want to learn more about crypto, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.